Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a really quick demo and review of the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. I have been raving about this in other videos. I love it. It comes with this brush, which is at first like a little bit awkward because it's not shaped like normal eyebrow brushes. But actually it works amazing. It's fine. I think this is like $9 at the drugstore. I love finding good deals on anything. So like this is no exception. This is an amazing deal. For less than $10, you're getting something that's almost as good of quality as like a prestige brand like Benefit or Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I have no makeup on right now. So I don't personally do my brows professionally anymore. They grow into this shape and I just kind of maintain them. But I have gotten my brows professionally done like my whole life. But now I'm going on like 2 years, maybe almost 3 years of not doing my brows professionally at all. I just felt like every time I went to get them done, they were getting destroyed. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. This is what it looks like. Comes in this pink packaging. My color is 310. It's medium brown. And I already showed you this, but I'll show you. Comes like this, and it's shaped like the Brow Definer by ABH. So it's shaped like this. I've never used this style before, but like I just wanted to try it. At first I like to brush my brows, you know, just so they're flat and all going the same direction. So you want to hold it this way with the skinny part on top. And then I angle it horizontally. And I start making strokes at like the lowest portion of my brow. See how you can see that's more defined? And then I take that all the way up through the arch and then back through the tail. And then I like to brush it so it's diffused. Let me zoom you in a little. Okay, so I like to brush it so it's really diffused. And now what I've done is just trace basically the lower half of where that arch is going to be. And then I go back. And again, I hold it with the point, with the skinny part up, and then I twist it horizontally. And then I go back in and I start making upward strokes without touching here yet. I kind of start making strokes back here. And now I'm going to do the same, and I'm going to trace the top portion of the arch. So now I just have this left, and I'm going to use the pencil again with the skinny part up, but I'm going to have it facing vertical this time. And I'm going to go in lighter. I'm going to use a lighter hand and go in upward strokes right there. And then I'm going to brush that out. I'm going to brush it all out. And that's pretty much how I do my brows. And you can see, like, I'll go back and I'll fill in the center wherever I need to. But you can see that's pretty effortless, pretty easy. This product, I am super happy with it. I personally like it better than the brow products with like the very skinny tip, which I've used my entire life. I've only used the brow products with like the very tiny pencil tip. And I was like thinking this was going to be too thick. You know, obviously it's like, it's a lot thicker. It's going to look like, you know, unnatural, but no, it actually looks really natural, and it's way easier to do than a pencil tip. So I'll go ahead and I'll do the other one as well. So again, I'm taking it horizontally with the skinny tip facing inwards, and I start at the bottom with light strokes, and I trace the entire bottom of the brow, and I come through the tail of it, and then I just brush it all kind of out in the same way. I'm brushing it to kind of blend the product with the hair. And then I go back and same thing, making strokes through the center here and then through the top. And just come over and define the top part of the arch, go back and brush it through, and then come back and do the front part of the tail. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go brush that and brush that. Make sure they're all going the same way. You see how when I brush it, it blends it too? And then I just go back and spot check it. Okay. So overall, this product is amazing. I highly recommend it. I used to be obsessed with I think it's the L'Oreal Brow Definer, another pencil tip one. I really liked that one, but honestly, this makes your brows look so natural when it's like a thicker tip. It makes your brows look way more natural for some reason. So voila, that's it. That's the final look. I'm going to finish up my makeup here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.